and can act like humans. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, they have a lot of intelligence, and that's what they say, intelligence, because they can act like a humans and human and steroids. Humans that they are knowing all, basically. In other words, artificial intelligence is computer technology that can perform tasks that normally need human intelligence. Yes. It can think by itself. So it's intelligence, basically. One of the things that I learned is transformation. It can transform anything. How does AI work? Computer learn from examples and get smarter with time. Learn from data. So that's why it's so important for a small business to have data of what they wanted to do in order for them to get a good results, a good output, that's what they call it. Finds patterns. For instance, if you use the same LLM, artificial intelligence platform, and you use it for one purpose and one purpose only, it learns to find out patterns that they can help you to solve problems, basically. That's what I can say. Gets better over time. With timing, and you train it, it's even better. Sometimes what you gotta do is train the platform that you use it in order for you to get the output that you require. All AI in your everyday life. Voice assistant. Nowadays, it sounds like a human being, but it's not a human being. It's powered by AI. And it's amazing. I don't know if you ever heard it, but it sounds like you're talking to a person. Before, it used to be robotic calls, and you can tell that it's a machine because it gets to the point where it's like, if, now this, that, right? But nowadays, it's like, it has a fluence. It has a clear voice like me, like you, like anybody else. And honestly, you hear it, it's like kind of scary because it's a machine who's talking. Then GPS navigators send you whatever you wanted to do. Recently, I did something for one of my clients to put it in a website. We coded, that wherever you're at to take you to wherever you want to go in his business, something like that. Photo suggestion, you can mix photos. That's one of the main reasons that a lot of people got into it. AI is because the animation of the images or photos or whatever you have made before. Sometimes people make it artistic. I know now there's some people that they used to do kind of art in the photos. Now they're doing it in AI. I know this lady in particular, that she's somebody that I know. What she do is she enhanced the photos in AI to the point where it looks like super realistic, but it's only AI. But the things are something that you're not going to be able to do as a human being with a picture, all right? So it is very interesting. For instance, in one of the pictures that she had, so it was this lady swimming with dolphins. She looked like really swimming with dolphins. That was all AI. So that's why sometimes in online, we can get so deceived by what you see. Because nowadays, you don't know what is real and what is not real. Spam filters, movie recommendation. Actually, you can make movies with AI 100% for nowadays. How AI can help us? Well, save time. Sometimes some of my clients come, I'm doing this tedious job. For instance, I have a construction company that was taking 4 hours to do estimating. Now they can do estimated 10, 15 minutes. Things from that nature. Like for instance, before I had all the people that they do certain things that they have to read like a lawyer. They read and read and read and read. So now the machine can read it, but if you give the right data, you can read it, and in 10 minutes later, You know what you need to know in order for you to answer the lawsuit, for instance. Better decisions. It helps you to make better decisions. Remember, machines, they don't make that much mistakes. The only problem with AI is that you don't given the right information, the machine can make up things. They call it hallucinations. Automates boring tasks. You can do a lot of automations with AI, and it make it look like you can have a machine that works flawless, basically. It improves healthcare. You can help to do certain things in healthcare. But one of the things that I wanted that you understand that you don't choose AI over a real doctor, for instance, that you don't choose a service that a provider can give you for AI. Because still we are in the humans have a place versus the machine. So please, if you are into AI, do not do 100% in AI. I'm doing this manually for that reason, because it gets to the point where you just want to do everything with AI, like it's easier, faster. But that's not the way that we're gonna do. We gotta still have the human touch, because we need it as a human beings. So please, if you have any healthcare problems, please do not go to machine and try to diagnose and treat it for yourself. AI in business. How AI in business can help you? Well, customer service, productivity trends, finding customers is very used for marketing, better decisions, saving money, improving products, also finding opportunities. That's one of the things that we do with our customers is finding opportunities. For instance, that business have certain services or products, and we find something that can be attached to it and make extra money with the same thing that they already doing. And that's something that the business owners sometimes, or the business leaders, they don't have a clue about it. And that's something that AI can be very flawless. Now, the future of AI is here to stay, and it's not gonna go anywhere. So AI as our helper is gonna be there forever. So you either implement it or you fall behind, one of the two. It's gonna be a lot of new jobs opportunities, and also it's gonna help you to solve big problems, better life for everybody. Now, people can use their time for something better versus the tedious test that nobody want to do. And this one can enhance human lives if you use it correctly. Otherwise, probably we're going to have other problems, and we don't want to be a machine lifestyle every single day. So please use AI carefully, and also use AI wisely. Until next time, thank you very much. This is Georgina Salgado Chavez.